Hey everyone, I just wanted to show a quick video showing that this is in fact working Windows 7 64-bit. You never know what things are like when you try to release new software, so I just want to show proof that it is working. So you can see me tracing the cable there. Okay, and here comes to that special USB adapter you have to buy to convert from Xbox One to regular USB. Here's the cable. Okay. You see the one single red light came on. And just to prove that I am running Windows 7, I'm going to bring up the system information. That's Windows 7 Professional. Let's see, what does this show? 64-bit. It doesn't show it there. Let me pull up a different window. So I want to make sure you see this all in one continuous clip, so there's no doubt that I pull any trickery. Here we go. i7 64-bit Windows 7 Professional. Alright. So we've established I have it connected to a Windows 7 64-bit machine. My second monitor over here, you can see Steel-Batallion-64 executables. I'm going to run 64 and W64. Okay. I'm going to press enter. And there's the flash that happens. And just to run about a few things, what actually runs. You can see the program up here. If you flip this button here, it's a reset. Everything flashes, and that's in case one of the scope buttons gets out of sync. You press the drive handle, the lights follow it. One of the neat features I've built into this is that the joystick actually helps you move this left and right and up and down, or when you tilt that up and down, it's equivalent of tilting this joystick up and down, and that's so you have fine control over aiming rather than just bulk control. It's easier to move your thumb than it is to move the whole joystick. Other features is that I've added state control. So for example, night scope, you press that and the light stays on. And that exists for a few other things. Let me see. Line color change. Magazine change. And you also notice here I've made it so that the buttons are different brightnesses. Ignition, obviously, ignition should be a little brighter than just some random button of your map zoom in and out. So, and of course your big eject button is very bright as well. Another thing I have down here is that when you press jump, let me see, when you press this pedal down here, it works as full stop. If you happen to hit either forward or reverse while you press that, you'll switch over to doing jump. That way when you're running, you can hit jump, let go of this, you'll stop, and then you can jump again. And then you can hit the pedal again to jump. And it lets you to more flexibility and get more button usage. And then the last neat feature I have here is that if you tilt this to one side, you can see that this flashes. So to the left, if you have it here on the left where you go all the flashing to the left, this is F1 through F5, and if you tilt it one button to the right, and you see the flash to the right, now it's F6, 7, 8, 9, F10. Now you see how all the lights are lit up. If we come over here, flip this button, reset everything. In case, let's say, you die and it doesn't, the states don't match up anymore. And then we have these two switches which toggles between Fire Group 3 and 4 and Alpha Strike. I think that's the order of those. It's online as well. So anyways, just want to I'll pull up MechWarrior 4. Instant action, and click on the, I think that would be Mad Cat. Mad Cat Mark II, that way I don't die too quick, and so you have jump.
Okay, Spectre Lance, give an operational ready report. We're crossing the line of departure. Enemy contact is imminent.
Spectre, this is Castle. Convoy is dead ahead. I'm marking intended
I'm going to press space to skip all this. Okay. So you have this.
Listen up, people. This is mostly a salvage run.
You can see how that's actually affecting it. Working.
The less we blow up, the more we take home. Copy?
See here with the joystick. Moving it up and down slightly. If I want more control over it, I can push the gear all the way to the top, and that adjusts how much control you have with the joystick. So now you can see it has much more control over that, and it's the same thing as tilting it left and right. That allows you to have fine control over aiming. And of course, I just want to show the other feature here is push down the pedal and push down the other pedal. You see it jumping. Let me switch modes over here to the view. Okay. That was easier to see there. So now it's hard to see both things. I'm pushing the pedal in right now, and I'm going to push in the other pedal. You can see he's jumping. Let go of both pedals. He stops. I'm going to go and accelerate. Now I'm pushing the left pedal.
Roger. Looks like light armor assets.
See,
Nothing
jump.
too heavy.
I still have the right pedal accelerating, so I'm still moving. Now let go of that pedal and push the left pedal, and I'll come to a complete stop. Of course, I have this one. So now, well, I don't have any allies now, so I can actually do that. So that's it for now. Thank you. Bye.
Roger, Castle. Spectre Lance, initiate